Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set a Viber backup on your Viber account. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by clicking on the settings icon that's located in the second section, the second icon. Now when we're here, we're gonna click on the first option that we have that says account. And now in account, we have 5 options. We're going to select the first option again that says Viber backup. Now here, the letters that are highlighted in purple, you can use them to manually back it up now or restore it now. That's how you use it manually. But if you want to automatically set your backup, you're going to click on auto backup. So as you can see, you can set it to daily backups, weekly, monthly, or you can turn it off. Now it's set to monthly, so let's go ahead and set it to weekly to be safer. And as you can see now, the photos and videos are included in the backup. If you don't want to include them, if you want to include the chats only, you can only tap on them to turn them off. If you change your mind, you want to turn them back on, you're just gonna tap on them again and they're on. So our backup is set to weekly. It automatically backs up all the chats and it will include all the photos and videos in the chats. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.